Welcome to JSATV, the newsroom for tech and telecom professionals. I'm Jaymie Scotto Cutaia of JSA, here at Telecom Exchange New York City. So we're excited to say 2017, our 7th year here in the fabulous Cipriani Wall Street location. Joining me here today, my guest, my friend, Zeev Draer. He is the Vice President of Strategic Marketing for MRV. Zeev, welcome again to JSATV.
Thank you, Jaymie. Nice to meet you.
It's awesome to have you here, and I know that you've just launched, exciting news guys, a new optical transport solution. Can you show and tell?
Yeah, absolutely. First of all, it's good to be here, and last year we spoke about 100 gig, now we're speaking about 200 gig. Market velocity is amazing.
Unbelievable.
Bandwidth is like money, it's never enough.
Yeah, that's right.
Absolutely the case. So now we actually introduced a new optical transport solution, which is basically 100% more capacity, 50% lower space, and actually I can show it.
Yes.
So yeah, so this is a pluggable digital coherent technology, which is the state of the art of transmission in optical. And what you see is this is a 100 gig, like a size of 10 gig it's used to be. So this is the new 10 gig solution eventually. In terms of capacities, the size, the form factor is phenomenal. Power consumption 50% lower, and that's fully modularized, so it's completely different from it used to be, or from proprietary solution that typically people introduce. So this is a solution for 200 gig. Is again, you see the size, you see the form factor. It's amazing to see how the technology is shrinking. So more capacity, less space, less power. That's the story.
Unbelievable. So this new technology is based on coherent digital technology. Can you tell us a little bit more about that?
Yeah, that's correct. We had a slogan for this campaign, and we said it's built for speed and designed for performance. So digital coherent technology is eventually supposed to give you more performances and better reach over existing, old and new infrastructure, including the coherence of transmission over one single wavelength, which is tunable. So it enables much better performance, longer reach, and again, it's something that will pave the way for new services and better capacities over time.
How is this solution targeted for both telecom and data center operators?
That's a great question, obviously. If we look on typical design of equipment, some of the design purely for data centers and some of them for service providers. What we're trying to do here is a modular solution that will be flexible enough and optimized for data centers and for service providers. So basically we have like 7 chassis with a different form factor. All those different cards can be mixed and matched, pay-as-you-grow concept. So economies of scale are very important instead of, again, going back to the proprietary solution, fixed designs that were less flexible, because service provider, they would like to have granular services and different types of services. Rather, if you look at data centers, which are more monolithic in a way, they use more or less fixed design, much bigger density, so it's totally different. But we're trying to optimize it and give all the variants in the same solution from our 7 range of chassis and the different parts that we provide.
I love that flexibility for sure. So, looking into your crystal ball, what can you tell us for MRV in the next few months to a year ahead?
It's not going to be boring for sure.
Never is.
Yeah, never is. I think we're going to have very good and exciting announcements soon. We still, our vision is again that network be network as a service. So the whole vision of multi-layer transmission, multi-layer technology, different types of aspects of services that will be programmable on demand and will enable this vision to come through. And on top of it, we have our management and orchestration platform that gives this flexibility and optimization and automation of services. So that's actually the vision that someday is getting into those realities of network as a service. That's the vision.
Network as a service, for sure. MRV sticking true to its vision and really deploying now unbelievable new technology, making news that we're all excited to hear about. So for our viewers who want to learn more, where can they find out more about
Obviously,
MRV?
they can go to www.mrv.com. They can follow us, MRVC, on Twitter, and obviously LinkedIn. So I think you can find us very easily.
Yep. Anywhere online, MRV. MRV.com. Zeev, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you, Jaymie.
And thank you, viewers, for tuning in to JSA TV.